Let's get real, most passive income videos recycle the same tired advice. Start a blog, buy real estate, invest in stocks. But those often need a lot of money or time up front, which most of us don't have. It can feel like passive income is only for the rich. But today, I'll show you 7 real ways to start earning passive income. No fluff, no get-rich-quick nonsense. These are practical, step-by-step methods you can start right now, some with almost no money. If you're ready to change your financial future, stick around. Smash the like button, and let's dive into my favorite passive income idea you can start today for almost nothing. Here we go. First up, let's dive into a business model that's perfect for creatives and entrepreneurs alike. It's print on demand, or POD, a fantastic way to start selling custom products without the hassle of inventory. You create a design, whether it's a complex illustration or a simple text graphic, upload it to a service like Printify or Printful, and they handle printing, using professional-grade equipment, shipping, getting your product to the customer's doorstep, and even returns. They manage the entire fulfillment process. No inventory, meaning no upfront investment in products, no equipment, so you don't need to buy expensive printers or cutting machines, and minimal customer headaches. It's a streamlined process that lets you focus on design and marketing. Start on a marketplace like Etsy, a platform where buyers are already searching for unique products and are ready to make a purchase. Use free tools like Canva, a user-friendly design platform, to make simple text-based or graphic designs perfect for beginners. Think hobbies. What are people passionate about? Funny sayings that make people laugh, or motivational quotes that inspire. Connect your Etsy shop to a provider like Printify or Printful. These services seamlessly integrate with Etsy, upload your designs, create product mockups, and set your prices to ensure a healthy profit margin. Each listing takes minutes to create. It's a quick and easy process and can sell over and over, generating revenue passively. Every sale is handled automatically, from order placement to fulfillment. You just get paid. It's a truly hands-off business model. The secret? Consistency is key to long-term success. Upload new designs weekly, keeping your shop fresh and engaging, test niches, and double down on what sells. Analyze your data and focus on what resonates with your audience. Don't expect to get rich from 5 designs, it's a numbers game. Volume matters. The more designs you have, the more opportunities to sell. Once your listings are up and optimized, they become digital assets, earning you money 24/7 even while you sleep. It's scalable, low-cost, and truly passive, making it an ideal side hustle after the initial setup. The groundwork pays off in the long run. Wake up to sales you made in your sleep. It's an incredible feeling. That's the power of print on demand. A business that works for you, even when you're not working. Let's move to the next method and explore more ways to make money online. Next up, let's explore one of the easiest ways to generate passive income high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer a significantly better return compared to traditional savings options. If your money's sitting in a regular bank account, earning next to nothing, you're effectively losing money to inflation. The rising cost of goods and services erodes the purchasing power of your savings. Big banks often pay almost zero interest on their standard savings accounts, but online banks, with lower overhead costs, can offer significantly higher rates, sometimes as high as 4 or 5% APY. That translates to hundreds of dollars a year in extra earnings on the same balance, simply for doing nothing different. It's truly passive income at its finest. These online banks are generally very safe. Just make absolutely sure they're FDIC insured, which protects your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. To find the best rates, go to a reputable comparison site like NerdWallet or Bankrate, compare the available rates, read reviews, and open an account online in just a few minutes. The process is usually very straightforward. Link your existing checking account, securely transfer your money over, and that's it, you're all set. Your cash will immediately start earning real interest, typically compounded daily, meaning your interest earns interest and paid out monthly. It's important to have realistic expectations. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a crucial foundational step in building your overall financial health. Your emergency fund or any short-term savings should always be working for you, even if it's just a little bit. It's arguably the simplest and most risk-free passive income stream available. So, really, no excuses. Get your money moving into a high-yield savings account today. Now that we've covered this foundational element, let's talk about a method with even bigger potential returns. Method 3, YouTube automation or faceless channels. You're the producer, not the on-camera star. Create evergreen content, Top 10s tutorials, documentaries, using stock footage, voiceovers, and editing. Pick a profitable niche with a big audience, like finance, tech, or health. Research what works, then find your unique angle. Write scripts, record voiceovers, or hire out, and edit with free tools like DaVinci Resolve. Upload consistently, optimize titles and thumbnails, and learn YouTube SEO. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel gets monetized. Every video becomes a digital asset earning ad revenue for years. It's upfront work, but the payoff is long-term scalable income. You never have to show your face. Build the system and let YouTube work for you. Ready for a classic passive income strategy? Let's go. On to dividend stocks. Dividend stocks, simple, reliable, and proven. Buy shares in stable companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson and get paid a portion of their profits, called dividends, just for holding the stock. Reinvest those dividends automatically, a drip, and your income snowballs over time. Open a brokerage account online. Fidelity, Schwab, or M1 Finance are great options. Start with as little as $5 thanks to fractional shares. Look for dividend aristocrats or dividend ETFs like SCHD or VYM for stability and diversification. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-slowly and surely plan. Your income grows as you invest more and reinvest dividends. Over time, it can cover real expenses. It's the ultimate money-while-you-sleep strategy. Now let's talk about publishing your own ebook for passive income. Here's how. Ebook publishing on Amazon. Self-publishing ebooks. It's a fantastic way to share your expertise and generate income online. On Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing is a hidden gem, offering incredible opportunities for authors. Write a helpful, short non-fiction ebook. Focus on providing value to your readers. Think 30-50 pages. Keep it concise and to the point. Solving a specific problem. Identify a need and offer a practical solution. You don't need to be a pro writer, just communicate clearly and offer real value. Focus on clarity and actionable advice. Use Google Docs to write, it's free and easy to use. Canva for a professional cover, making your book visually appealing. And upload everything to Amazon KDP. The platform guides you through the process. Set your price considering the value you provide and what the market will bear. Amazon pays up to 70% royalties on ebooks between $2.99 and $9.99. This is a great incentive to publish with them. Once published, Amazon handles sales, delivery, and customer service. It's a truly hands-off experience. Your book can sell for years, with no extra work. It's a source of passive income that can grow over time. Promote it at launch for reviews, but many books keep selling passively. The power of the Amazon algorithm can work wonders. Each sale is money in your account, from work you did once. Leverage your time and effort for long-term gains. It's scalable. Publish more books, earn more. The more you create, the more opportunities you unlock. No publisher, no agent, no printing press needed. It's a streamlined and accessible process for everyone. Just your knowledge, packaged and sold worldwide. Reach a global audience with your expertise. Next, let's look at affiliate marketing with blogs. Here's how it works. Affiliate marketing with a niche blog is a classic online passive income stream. Recommend products you trust. When readers buy through your link, you earn a commission. Pick a niche you know: coffee gear, hiking travel software, anything. Start a blog with cheap hosting and WordPress. Write helpful articles and reviews that answer real questions. Use SEO to get your posts ranking on Google. Once your articles rank, they bring in visitors and commissions for months or years. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Place links naturally, don't spam. Over time, your blog becomes a library of content earning you money 24/7. It's slow to start, but the payoff is real. Now let's talk about digital products. This is where things get really scalable. Digital products are the ultimate scalable passive income. Create a tool, template, or resource. Notion templates, Lightroom presets, social media kits, budget spreadsheets. Identify a common problem and build a digital solution. Use Canva, Google Sheets, or Notion to create your product. Sell on platforms like Gumroad, Selfie, or Etsy. They handle payments and delivery. Once live, every sale is almost entirely passive. Promote on social media or a blog to boost sales. Each product becomes a digital employee, earning for you 24/7. The upfront work pays off for months or years. You can create as many products as you want. Each one adds to your income stream. It's pure profit after the first sale. Digital products are modern, flexible, and powerful. Now let's wrap up. There you have it. 7 real passive income ideas you can start today. From print on demand to digital products, high-yield savings to dividend stocks, YouTube, blogs, and ebooks, the options are endless. Remember, passive income means upfront work for long-term reward. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one and take the first step. Consistency is key. Which method will you try first? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Start building your passive income today.